Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and unlocking both devices. This is essential because NFC only works when screens are on. Once done, pick the file you want to send, photos, contacts, or documents, and open its Share menu, then select the NFC sharing option. This initiates the low-energy tap process. Hold the devices back-to-back near the NFC spot. You'll feel or hear a prompt. Do this now so the devices can negotiate a secure, short-range connection. You'll feel a brief vibration or see a touch-to-beam prompt once the devices recognize each other, which confirms the NFC handshake. Keep them steady. Now, NFC often only negotiates the session, so for bigger files your phone will automatically create a faster link, like Wi-Fi Direct or Bluetooth. That's why transfer speeds ramp up after the tap. Make sure you accept any pairing requests on both screens, otherwise the transfer stalls. Stay near the devices until you see completion status. Once the transfer finishes, you'll get a clear transfer complete notification. Only then separate the devices because interrupting can corrupt the file. If the transfer stalls, check that the fallback link, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct is enabled, then retry the tap. Sometimes a quick reboot resolves persistent pairing issues. As a final step, open the received file to confirm integrity, and make sure the recipient has enough storage and an app that supports the file type, so you don't lose time restoring or retransferring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.